Did you know that today there's an alternative to your expensive diesel or gas-powered forklifts? One that will transform the way you run your business and save you money. With BYD's range of forklift trucks, you benefit from a zero-maintenance lithium iron phosphate battery with super fast charging capability, enabling BYD forklifts to work 24/7 on that single battery. So who are BYD? Well, BYD are the global leaders in zero-emission energy solutions, boasting over 290,000 employees throughout the world, producing electronics, solar panels, battery storage systems, electric cars, buses, trucks and forklifts. BYD do it all. After launching in Europe in 2013, the forklift division has grown rapidly, with Irish businesses reaping the benefits since 2015. Take Devenish, a sustainable food product specialist with sites in 5 countries around the world. Using cutting-edge science, they create nutritional solutions that have a positive impact on animals, farms, the environment, and people. Based in Northern Ireland, their sites operate around the clock and had relied on gas-powered forklifts for both indoor and outdoor work. But now, thanks to the unique and revolutionary capabilities of the BYD range of equipment, Devenish have successfully converted their entire fleet to lithium-ion electric.
When it came to replacing the forklift fleet, our aims were to reduce our operating costs and minimise our carbon footprint. We already had one of the BYD forklifts within our fleet for a number of years, and this met the demands of our 24/7 operation. So we were keen to replicate this with the rest of the fleet. With the BYD electric forklifts, the running costs are substantially lower than diesel and LPG, and there are no harmful emissions. It's a much cleaner way to work day to day. With the BYD lithium battery, there is no maintenance involved for our operators, and the battery charges very quickly, so we can run the trucks across multiple shifts within our 24/7 operations. I'd say to any business considering switching to electric, talk to BYD. Our operators now prefer the electric forklifts over the previous engine trucks. The business has reduced its environmental impact, and we're saving money at the same time.
And it couldn't be easier to make the switch. Local supplier Electric Forklifts Ireland specialise in upgrading diesel and gas-powered forklifts to BYD lithium-ion electric, achieving an incredible reduction in total cost of ownership. With fewer moving parts than engine-powered equivalents, BYD forklifts deliver higher reliability and significantly lower maintenance costs. What's more, weatherproof electrics ensure BYD equipment is suitable for both indoor and outdoor use. Contact BYD now to find out how we can transform your business.